Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify CCS charging availability with Electrify America app step by step clearly. Open the Electrify America app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, you will see the home screen. Locate the map feature displayed prominently on the main page. Tap on the map to access the charging station locations. Zoom in on your current location or the area where you plan to travel. Look for icons representing CCS charging stations. Select one of the CCS charging station icons to get more details. A pop-up window will appear showing station information. Check the status of the charging station to see if it is available. Make note of any user reviews that might indicate station reliability. If the station is available, look for the number of charging ports. Confirm the charging speed options available at the selected station. Take note of the address and any specific instructions listed. If needed, tap on the Directions button for navigation assistance. Follow the directions to reach the CCS charging station. Upon arrival, verify the station's operational status physically. If all looks good, proceed to connect your vehicle for charging. Enjoy a seamless charging experience with Electrify America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.